Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron, we have this 2019 GMC Acadia SLT-2 SUV that's factory certified. On the exterior, we have a power lift gate, heated and power door mirrors, and a rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated front seats, push-to-start technology, and automatic temperature control. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This one-owner 2019 GMC Acadia has less than 61,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.